Want more photography website design videos like this? Then, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. Choosing the right name for your photography business is undoubtedly challenging. However, equally important and tough is finding an apt name for your photography website. Not only should this name identify with your actual business, but it should also be unique and memorable. So if you are struggling to come up with a name for your photography website, then here is a list of 20 photography website name ideas. And don't bother to note them down as you watch this video. I have listed all the names in the description below for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Focus Photos. Number 2. Prism Pro. Number 3. Lens Magic Photos. Number 4. Delighted Pics. Number 5. Quality Prism. Number 6. Fast Vintage Photos. Number 7. Delightful Depictions. Number 8. Edition Headshot. Number 9. Click Concept. Number 10. Shoot My Wedding. Number 11. Light and Lens. Number 12. Dream Wedding Images. Number 13. QualityX. Number 14. Fine Portraits. Number 15. Project Nature Photos. Number 16. Start Action Capture. Number 17. Capture My Wedding. Number 18. All About Photography. Number 19. Family Portrait Studio. Number 20. Fast Color Shoot. Although it may seem difficult initially, it is not impossible to come up with a good name for your photography website. Use the above list of names as inspiration for your photography website. But if you are still struggling, then I have prepared a list of 100 photography website name ideas. You can check out that list by clicking on the link in the description below. And if you are wondering how much it is going to cost you to create a photography website, then I have created a detailed tutorial for it too. Click the link that is displaying right now at the top of this video to watch that tutorial. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like icon below, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.